psychology of people who know how to fix everything is actually a lie. You know that one guy, the friend who can rebuild a car engine, patch a wall, and fix your dead laptop. You think he is a genius. You think his brain is massive. But what if I told you he does not know anything you don't know? There is a hidden rule these fixers use. Once you know it, you become the most powerful person in the room. But I warn you, it will make you mad. Think of your daily life like a rigged casino. When a sudden problem hits, a busted pipe, a dead car battery, you panic. Tension spikes. You feel helpless. So what do? You pay a stranger $400 to fix it. But the fixers, they aren't playing the slots. They are playing a rigged game of chess. They understand street power dynamic. The world wants you blind and broke. The world wants you to need the handyman. Stop paying the handyman. He is taking your money for nothing. Here is the middle of the trap. You think fixing things is about natural talent. It is not. When your sink leaks, fear takes over. You hate feeling weak. You hate feeling dumb. But a fixer looks at the sink like a simple game of tug-of-war. They know everything is just parts. Part A connects to part B. If it stops, find the brake. But wait, if it is that easy, why do they succeed? Why do you strip the screw, break the plastic, and cry on the garage floor? The second insight is way more valuable. The answer is completely ruthless. They are willing to destroy it. That is the point of no return. When you are terrified to touch the broken TV, they take a screwdriver and rip the back off. They dive right into the dark. No fear, no hesitation, just a bold move against the machine. But here is the big twist. The real reason they win, it is not a high IQ. It is a secret ally. It is a 10-minute internet video. And the crazy luck of having the guts to just try. They are not smarter than you. They are just not afraid to look stupid for 5 minutes.